we doing? It's a very rainy day today here in London, but we have some plans. So, is it too echoey in here? It's very echoey. Maybe I should do this in another room. Okay, I think this is better. So, if you guys are new here, hello, I'm Emily. I'm an American living in London. The point of today's video is that I'm going back to Greenwich, and if you are new, I went to the University of Greenwich for my master's, and I lived in Greenwich in London for I think 9 months before I moved to Southwest London where I live now. So the reason that I'm going is that I have a meeting with the external examiner, which basically there's a group of us that are giving feedback about the web design course that we did, and hopefully they'll be able to make some improvements for the upcoming students. So I don't have to be there until 3, but I thought I'd go a little bit early and make kind of a day of it. We'll walk around the park. It is rainy and cold, so it might be a brief walk, but I'll show you around in Greenwich, and then after the meeting it's gonna be dark out and we can go see the Christmas lights. Let's get ready and go. I'm pretty sure I'm about to miss my train.
Is Waterloo. Change here for the bay.
Okay, that was quite the journey, but we made it. And obviously my first stop was Pret, and a couple people that used to work there when I lived here were there, so that was exciting to see them. Also, the rain has let up, so that is double exciting. I have about an hour to kill before the meeting, so I'll show you around a bit. So I'm basically just gonna take you for the route that I would walk. Oh, there's some seagulls. The route that I would walk every morning before class. So here we have the Cuddy Sark. It was an old tea vessel, I believe. It's very famous in Greenwich. I see that they have some tents up, which means they're probably filming something, so we'll do a little snooping. I've been here when they filmed Bridgerton, The Crown, and the Napoleon movie with Joaquin Phoenix that's coming out in 2023, so hopefully we'll see something cool. There's the tents off in the distance. Well, it's prettier when there's no gates here, but there you go. It started raining again. I'm gonna take a little break under the shelter. I'm pretty sure the film crew's over there, so I'm not gonna walk over there, but you can see there's some props. I'm seeing a lot of flowers, which is what we saw when Bridgerton was filming here last time. So that's my guess. I think Bridgerton. That was the main campus, and we're gonna go to Stockwell Street later, which is the campus that my courses are in. But first we're gonna go to the park. Oh, I love this place so much. Here's the map. We are here. I feel like not many people when they visit London come to Greenwich because it's kind of out of the way, but you can get here on the Elizabeth line, the DLR, and there's a ferry that comes here from Central, and it's just the most beautiful place. I love it. There's the observatory right there. I hope we'll have time to go up there. We'll see, but if not, I'll insert a clip of what it looks like from up there, but you can see all of London on a clear day. Today might not be the best day either, but still, it's amazing. Sorry, we're just gonna have to I keep trying to wipe the lens off. We're just gonna have to deal with the raindrops, but that's the Queen's house. It's free to go inside if you come here, and then also those like pillars there will go over there. It's so beautiful in the middle of them. I always like the view from right here up to the observatory. We're walking in front of the National Maritime Museum, which I believe is also free to go into. Being here is like, I really miss living here, but as far as like day-to-day life is concerned, it's much more convenient to live where I live, but it's just such a nice place here, and I feel really lucky to have gotten to live here and to get to come back and share it with you guys. Also, if you happen to have stumbled upon this because you're thinking about going to Greenwich University, I do have a tour of the Devonport house that I'll link in the cards and in the description. That room right there is my old room. Got a little pastry to snack on before the meeting starts. It's in 20 minutes, so I think I have time to scarf it down. Oh yeah? I'm actually vlogging today. To the pub. Oh, it's Christmassy.
We're gonna take a picture. I'll be there in a second.
Say that again.
Click on the button below to subscribe.
I just found out that we might already know our grades. I'm scared. I was not expecting this until later this week. All right, now we're walking to the Queen's house to go see the ice rink. Yeah! The Christmas tree.
What it's supposed to be is when people stay tight in so they can do tricks.
I feel like I'm in a movie.
You're not in a movie because this was in
They do film a lot here. Yeah. They were setting up earlier for, I'm pretty sure it's Bridgerton.
Are you sure?
But they were setting up here.
Is it the Queen's house? Not the Queen's house, the Crown.
Well, The Crown was filming here last November, and I was walking here and I saw the lady that plays the Queen, and I saw her and she was wearing a green like suit thing with a little green hat, and that's on the season.
Oh really?
Yeah, I was like, I was there.
We're actually searching for you.
Send this to all my friends when I make it into your vlog. Want to see me running around Greenwich?
I'm getting a video of you getting a video of me.
Oh,
We just asked the police to take our picture, and they did a good job.
Yeah, look at this man. Can you believe that?
so when I'm in Greenwich, this is the Greenwich shop from England. You see the church, the pretty old buildings, and you see a nice double-decker red bus riding through.
Back home.
See you all. Go home safe.
Bye. Good to see you guys. Safe travels home. I'm just headed home now, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.